MOV was conceived in 2001 initiative. The traditionally the company focused on high definition graphical technology. However, it achieved the severe competition in the game market. In view of that, the Nintendo tends to attract the non-gamers and casual gamers by focusing on new game experience and new forms of interaction rather than the expensive graphical technology. So the Wii is actually released in the fourth quarter of 2006, and since its launch, the sales figure of the Wii is relatively higher than competitors. The Nintendo has put most of their effort in product development to enhance the game experience for Wii players. In the recent years, a lot of accessories are introduced to enhance the game experience and fulfill the specific needs of different kinds of games. The most famous accessory, I think, is the Wii Sports Pad. The sports lovers can utilize this pad to do the exercise with friends at home, so it's quite funny. And apart from the accessories, the Wii also has some important features. For example, the Wii can connect to the NDS panel without any accessories, and the Wii can connect to the internet through its built-in Wi-Fi.
And for the technology used in Wii Remote, there are application of sensor bar, accelerometer, and Bluetooth. The idea of direct pointing to the target appeared in shooting games in a long time ago. However, the usage of technology is limited by the size and the type of television. In the meantime, Wii Remote do not rely on this because of the use of sensor bar. The main concept of the location is triangulation. We try to measure the location of the sensor bar in the view of the Wii Remote. An infrared emitter is at two ends of the sensor bar here, and they are regarded as two fixed points. With the given length of the sensor bar, we can measure the angle in between, like the alpha and beta. Then we can locate the actual position of the remote. Even a 3D position can be determined through this process. However, there is a limitation because it is possibly interrupted by some infrared emitter or some light emitter nearby. And although the sensor bar itself can identify even every up, down, or left, right motion, if the motion is slow enough, with the use of accelerometer can help with the quality of measurement. An accelerometer measures the acceleration through experience relative to free fall. As you can imagine, the accelerometer is like a benchmark. Inside the remote, it then moves in the same way as the remote. The distance it moves is recorded, and the acceleration of Wii Remote experience will be then calculated. The signification can also be marked in the map chart, so the console can record the motion from two hands separately. The last thing is the importance of Bluetooth to the success of Wii. Bluetooth is a technology that makes use of digital data transmission. The advantage of having digital data transmission over analog is that it's easier to reproduce, store, and move from place to place as well as from device to device. Bluetooth supports multi-users. With the most updated technology of spectrum frequency hopping, you can see in this picture. It becomes possible for more than one device sending data to the receiver simultaneously. This technology can prevent any two devices from transmitting signal at the same frequency, or even they are transmitting at the same frequency with a very short duration, so it won't affect the quality just to have direct contact to the receiver, and which makes the transition process more sensible.
So the business strategy leading to the success of the development strategy. Basically, the strategy aims at achieving two benefits. The first one is called cost leadership, because the company tries to eliminate some peripheral features that are not treated as a core competency of the company. So we actually Lentino tends to eliminate some features such as DVT and MOV 5.1 so that it can eliminate cost in some aspects. And the second advantage that can be derived from this strategy is the quality differentiation, because this strategy enables Lentino to create a new value which is cherished by the customer. Actually, the objective of the strategy is to create a new market which is more open instead of competing on the existing revenue. And here are some quantitative analysis on we can see that we has been the leader in the video console market since it has been launched in 2007. And we can see from the figures here, the combined sales of Xbox and its competitor PSP is actually less than the sales of Wii since 2007-2008. However, we can see a significant drop in the sales data in 2009. So therefore, we can see that we actually facing a very huge pressure from its competitor now. And as a result, we tend to reach another price cut for the console on 2 months ago. And here are some qualitative analysis from me. We think that for analysis we use both here, we can see that concerning the strength we have enjoyed the benefits of the unique hardware, motion detection, and the low production cost as an option of development strategy. Concerning the releases, and we have the releases of the full graphic quality, and they have limited selection of software. And we can see that there are some opportunities for Lentino to capture. They will be preserved on the next part. And the fact is that there may be some very keen competition from its competitors, and the software developer may abandon the game if due to the inadequate profit. So here we come with several recommendations for the future of we. We propose that we can apply some software developer to enable a stable supply of new games for customers to choose from. And it is up to the cost of Lentino whether it has enough financial resources to carry out acquisition, or they can eliminate the risk by giving up joint venture. And the second solution is the market development. We think that Lentino can actually introduce its product to some new markets, such as those in the Middle East. And we can diversify its global market base. This is particularly important during the economic bad time. And the final recommendation is the product development. And we think that we can continue to invest on the effort in the R&D to improve the graphical quality to attract more new gamers. So basically, we have some more new recommendations, and I think that will be covered in our report more detail. Thank you very much.
Any questions? Replay again. You guys are replay, I suppose. No replay at all. You guys are all PS3. Not even NDS. I think V was recognized as one of the technology of the year in year 2007 when it was first launched. It received many recognitions and awards in the technology field. It was a big hit. At the same time, PS3 was launched pretty much at the same time, but rumor says that the chief engineer behind PS3 got fired not long after the release. So you can kind of well, it's a rumor, but you can kind of see the comparison between the innovation. In PS3, basically, it's the same type of technology other than employing Blu-ray, high capacity. While V itself is a totally brand new composition of motion sensor and Bluetooth and all add together for video gaming experience. So in that sense, the engineer behind got recognized worldwide for the technology innovation in the year 2007. Anyway. Okay, so I think thank you very much for all the students presented today.